What if everything I ever knew just changed? So, recently, as we all know it, coronavirus happened.
ये है जनता कर्फ्यू।
And this is how my dream of celebrating my last birthday with my friends before graduating just ended. Like, ended forever. I mean, we all were really uncertain at that moment, and we just thought it's just a 15 days holiday. Maybe it will get better. You know, like we were planning our farewell and everything, but nothing happened. It's okay, it's just a birthday. I know everything's fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Before I just start rambling and complaining about my life problems, and I know that you all don't even want to listen about it, so I just wanted to say that this video is just a simple vlog of my simple life spent in this tiny room for 7 months. So enjoy. I spent about 8 to 10 hours on my phone a day, and I know it's really toxic. It's not really good for my mental health, and I'm addicted to my phone. What's wrong with me? So, to avoid using my phone, I did photo shoot, which professional photographers definitely would reject. Then I did some journaling. I mean, I love journaling and I love art, so I just mixed them together. Okay, so I also spent some time playing badminton. I guess I did some cooking too, but I don't have any footage of it. So let's just conclude it with there. I guess that my time spent on my phone is really reduced right now, and it's pretty good. Good morning, everyone. So I woke up really late. I mean, it's become a routine now. Nowadays, I even don't know which day is Sunday and which day is Monday. Every day feels like a weekend. I know that I've been avoiding making YouTube videos for a really long time now, and it's been months that I have uploaded videos. People probably forgot me. So, hi everyone. So I planned the schedule for my week, and this is what I have to do. I have finished doing my research for the video that I'm going to make, and also have collected data and source to work with now. So I just have to do the editing part now. I know that it's the most difficult thing. Oh hell yeah, it's gonna be real difficult. Let's do it.
In tiny rooms around, I live with these walls alone, looking at mirror, talking to self, hiding all pain.
It's exactly 2 a.m. and oh, my sister is playing games. She's playing it for a really, I don't know for how much time, but yeah, my editing is still not finished. As you can see here, it's literally going on. I absolutely love this scene. It took me really long time to edit just this. I'm just hoping to end it end the editing by tomorrow. Let's see what happens. So I'm just going to get ready while talking to you guys and recording it in a box and delivering it to you, or as Benjamin Franklin likes to say, lost time is never found again. So yeah, I'm not going to waste my time. But in serious note though, ever since this pandemic actually happened and we all had to lock down ourselves in our rooms, I felt this enormous pressure on myself because I was wasting a lot of time spending on my phone and I just didn't know what to do. I was feeling clueless and everyone was just saying that yeah, create content now and post it now cause everyone will be watching it, you will get higher engagement. So work on your creativity, work on your talent and showcase your talent to the world because everyone will definitely see you now because everyone is online. Yeah, but I knew that this was the thing, but I didn't want to come online at the time. So after 2 months of regretting that I didn't do this, I didn't do that, I started doing it in my room. And yeah, I have this one single problem though, for shooting in my room. This fan, the fan up there, and there is also a fan behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Whenever I shoot, it just sounds so bizarre and my voice isn't audible enough. I also don't have a mic. I bought a mic, but I left it in my hostel. I don't know why I did that. I'm so stupid. I just thought that I'm going to home for 15 days, but I ended up staying in my home for 4 or 5 months. And yeah, I know I also passed out of my college, and now I miss my college a lot. So I started to work on my journal, and also I divided uh, a lot of journals. I mean, for each topic, I made one journal. I literally feel like a nerd doing this because even when in the school time, like teacher told you that make a homework copy and make a class copy and make a holiday vacation copy, and then you end up making 10 copies for each subject. Yeah, that's what I am literally doing now because I have been taught to do that since school. If that makes sense, I don't know, somehow am ingrained in doing dividing things particularly and classifying into particular orders. So yeah, you may think that it is too much, but it's really normal for me. Okay, I'm going off topic now. I have to go and shoot. You must be visible now. Okay, so I'm ready. This month has really been just about editing and shooting videos and planning my videos, how to make it. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, so I don't get enough time to do something else. So this is basically my setup, and I shoot all of my videos here. You can see the white screen. This is actually a white cloth, and I just set my phone up here.
안녕하세요. 저는 언키다입니다.
So my sister is basically practicing Korean, and she's learning Korean these days on Duolingo app and everywhere it seems possible. Yeah, these trees look so beautiful. We actually don't come out of our room for so many days. Basically, we live in an isolated place, and it is almost nearly impossible to reach to the market. If we have to go get something from the market or buy something, then we have to go for a 1 or 2 hour ride, and market is so far. By the way, GeoMart has really made it possible for us to get things like my favorite chocolate. Yeah, wow. My sister has clicked some pictures. This is of this place, and it looks really amazing. The sky looks so amazing. I mean, because of the corona, definitely pollution is gone. Not exactly gone, but yeah.
Just gone.
Yeah, because the traffic is yeah. She is clicking one more right now. She thinks that she found the one. Let's see.
Be the one.
Oh yeah, it really does blow. I mean, it looks amazing in real life, but still, yeah.
I'm advertising dandelions.
Just in case you didn't know,
Contact me.
Dandelions have contracted with us and they are sponsoring us for this video, guys. If you didn't know, just pick a dandelion and they will definitely sponsor you.
The CEO of the company is Mother Nature. Undelani.
So, what do you think of happiness as? I mean,
What makes me happy?
yeah, basically, what makes you happy? Exactly, like this pandemic actually made me think of this question. We are all stuck in the same place.
Yeah, that's why I don't really care about. Like, you might have noticed. I've told you, like some 4 to 5 months ago, when the pandemic was like the lockdown was new to us. Once when we were like going out in the compound,
Yeah.
I told you that I want to become a person who earns a lot and gets married to a very rich person, because I was only caring about money at that time.
When we just feel happy that we have everything, even though we are not at that place, and
All like think that we will be happy by achieving things that we don't have right now.
yeah, exactly.
But when we actually feel happy, it might be something that we miss out.
Yeah, because that feeling of absolute satisfaction is never achieved if you actually market just by achieving money. Yeah, but if you just feel that you are happy inside, then your level of happiness will be just lied in those small moments and small things that you share with your close people.
Feeling of like absolute satisfaction.